So first, please write two terms we are going to discuss: autecology and syncology. Okay. So here you can notice a particular species I've taken up here, like a black buck. Okay, and how the particular organism evolves in its habitat, how it behaves, how it interacts with the surrounding environment, its, let's say, food that it consumes, the habitat it involves, the role it plays, it how it mates, all that we study in autecology. So autecology is about species ecology. When we study a particular species and its habitat as well as how it interacts with the surrounding environment, that is called as autecology or species ecology, where we concentrate on one particular species. It is its habitat, its food, its breeding pattern, its mating pattern, as well as the overall the ecosystem that it inhabits. That is autecology. When you take larger organisms, all organisms, you can notice that there are different species here. Correct. You can see a zebra there, black buck there, ostrich there. Correct. You can see all these species are interacting with each other as a community. They are interacting with flora also here. That is community ecology. So when we take the entire community as such, how all the organisms in a habitat interact with each other as well as with the surrounding environment is called as community ecology or syncology. Please write now. Autecology and syncology. Ecology, all of you know, study of ecosystem. Simple. Okay. In that we have two types. One is species ecology, where we concentrate on individual species, and other one we concentrate on the entire community as such, where all organisms, how they interact and how they interact with their abiotic factor. That is syncology. I'll write that on the board also. Now you just have seen this. You don't have to worry about the theory what I've given. Any of the PDF you will get. So for now, just concentrate on the concept. Also called as species ecology. Other one is syncology. Okay, or synecology. Some pronounce it as synecology or syncology. Okay, either way we can pronounce. This is called as community ecology. So please remember two types. In this, we concentrate on a particular species as such. Any particular species, you take elephant or you take tiger, any species, its habitat. We start with its habitat. We concentrate on its growth, how it grows, its lifespan, correct, how it breeds, how it feeds, correct, its feeding pattern, everything we concentrate on. Its behavior, we concentrate on the behavior of the species also. Behavior, correct, every organism has a particular set of behavior, stress behavior as well as normal behavior, all that we study. That is species ecology. Okay, we concentrate on particular a single species, any particular species, whether it's elephant or tiger or any, even plants also, for example. Okay, in general. So whereas synecology, okay, or community ecology concentrates on community of species, community of various species. Various species, how they interact with each other. Interaction with each other as well as with the surrounding environment with various abiotic factors. Interaction with surrounding environment means flora and fauna in general. We are taking the entire community. Community means the larger aspect, including all flora and all fauna. All flora, fauna. That is synecology. Okay. So ecology has two parts. This also they will ask. Autecology and synecology.